Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can block dangerous websites in your Google Chrome on your Android mobile device. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and also write comments at the end of the video. So, let's get down to our topic. First, we will need to open Google Chrome on our phone. At the top, you'll need to tap on our image to go to Settings. Next, you will scroll a little bit and find Security and Privacy. Here you'll also need to scroll a little bit to find the Save Browsing section. And here you'll see 3 levels of protection, so to speak, for browsing. And the lowest one is No Protection, followed by Standard Protection, as well as Advanced. Most importantly, never choose No Protection because then various dangerous sites will prevent you from using Google Chrome. You choose either Standard Protection or, especially if you have children, then Advanced Protection. Then you go to Privacy Security Back Pause. And here you'll find at the bottom a little bit below that. This section is always use Secure Connection. And you need to make sure that it's activated like I have it now. And then you select Use Secure DNS. And this is where you need to activate it. By default, the first mode will always be enabled, but you need to select a different ISP. And next to the word Custom, you click on this little arrow. And then you select Family Filter. And that's it. Now with these steps, you can successfully block dangerous sites in Google Chrome on your Android. Friends, I really hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and also write your comments. See you next time, friends.